LumaFusion versus Node Video, which video editing app is better? Choosing the right video editing app can transform how you create stunning videos without complicated processes. We'll look at LumaFusion and Node Video, two powerful but different editing solutions. LumaFusion is a professional-grade video editor designed mainly for iOS devices, while Node Video is a versatile Android app with strong visual effects capabilities. The core difference lies in platform focus and the balance between ease of use and advanced customization. LumaFusion is a comprehensive video editing app tailored for iPhones and iPads, offering a multi-track timeline with up to 6 video and audio tracks. It supports a wide range of formats and resolutions, including 4K, and provides advanced tools like color correction, keyframing, and audio mixing. The interface is optimized for touch controls, making it intuitive for both beginners and professionals. LumaFusion's strengths include seamless integration with iOS features, fast rendering, and a rich library of effects and transitions. However, it is limited to Apple devices, which restricts access for Android users. Ideal users are mobile journalist content creators and video editors who need a powerful yet portable editing solution with professional features on iOS. Its one-time purchase model also appeals to those who prefer no subscription fees. Node Video is a feature-rich video editor built for Android devices, focusing heavily on visual effects and compositing. It offers a flexible, node-based interface that allows users to combine effects, transitions, and layers with precise control. Node Video supports multi-track editing, keyframe animation, and a variety of filters and effects, making it ideal for creative video projects. Its strengths lie in its advanced visual effects capabilities and customization options that rival desktop software. However, the learning curve is steeper and the interface may feel complex for casual users. It also requires a subscription for full access to all features, which might deter some users. Node Video is best suited for Android users who want to push creative boundaries with effects-heavy editing and are comfortable with a more technical interface. When comparing LumaFusion and Node Video, the decision often depends on device and editing style. LumaFusion excels on iOS with a user-friendly interface and professional features that streamline mobile editing. It's great for quick edits, storytelling, and projects needing reliable performance on Apple hardware. Node Video, on the other hand, offers deeper visual effects and customization on Android, making it perfect for creators focused on complex effects and compositing. The trade-off is a steeper learning curve and subscription costs. If you prioritize ease of use and fast workflows, LumaFusion is the better choice. For those who want maximum creative control and effects flexibility on Android, Node Video stands out. Both apps deliver powerful tools but cater to different platforms and user preferences. Choose LumaFusion if you use iOS and want a professional, intuitive video editor with strong performance and no subscription fees. Node Video is the top pick for Android users seeking advanced visual effects and customization, willing to invest time in learning the interface. Both apps offer powerful editing, so pick based on your platform and creative needs for the